Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from CoinDCX to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tether USDT between these popular exchanges, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so double-check everything to stay safe. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both CoinDCX and Binance. You'll need USDT in your CoinDCX wallet and the exact wallet address from Binance. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your CoinDCX account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallet or Funds section. Here, you'll see all your assets, including USDT. Step 2. Select USDT from your wallet. Click on the Withdraw or Transfer option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. That's where Binance comes in. Open your Binance app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the USDT address. Make sure it's for the correct network, like Tron or ERC20, to avoid any issues. Step 3. Paste the Binance wallet address into the withdrawal form on CoinDCX. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, but don't forget to check the network fees. These can vary, so aim to transfer enough to cover costs. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. CoinDCX will show you a summary. Double-check the address and amount. Once you're sure, hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, which you can use to track the transfer. Step 5. Head back to Binance and check your wallet. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the USDT to appear, depending on network congestion. If it's not showing up, use the transaction ID to verify on a blockchain explorer. A quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your funds. Also, in 2025, keep an eye on any regulatory changes that might affect transfers. That's it for the steps. By following this, you'll have your USDT transferred smoothly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.